Want to personalize your iPhone home screen? Let's add some widgets to make it more useful. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add widgets on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, tap on the empty space on the home screen. Tap on the plus icon from the top left corner of your screen. This will open the widget gallery where you can browse all the available widgets. Scroll down through the list and find the widget that you want to add. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific widget. Once you find it, simply tap on it. After selecting your widget, you will see options to choose the size. You can slide left or right to view different size options. Pick the size that fits you based on your home screen. Then tap on the Add Widget option. You can now drag your widget to place it wherever you want on your home screen. Once you are happy with its position, tap on the Done button from the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add widgets on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.